dish. So it's a Cape Malay dish which normally consists of a spiced layer of either minced beef or lamb, which is then topped with a bay leaf infused egg custard and then baked. Today I'm doing a vegan version. In a pan, add 2 cups of green lentils, 6 cups of water, salt, and cook till soft and all the water has evaporated. Slice and dice 2 onions, 2 carrots, 2 sticks of celery, 5 cloves of garlic, and a bit of chilli for that spicy goodness. Into a hot pan with 5 crushed cardamom and 3 cloves. Fry them for a couple of minutes to release their flavor. Straight in with your chili, garlic, and onion and saute for a couple of minutes. Add the rest of your veggies and cook till soft. Once your veggies are nice and soft, you're going to add your spices. Look, there's too many of them for me to name right now, so the list will be in description. After you've added your turmeric, go wash your hands before you make everything yellow, you dirty donkey. Cook your spices for a minute. Smell that. Add 2 heaped tablespoons of tomato paste and cook out. Now we're going to add our lentils and stir to mix them into our vegetables. Season with a bit of salt and MSG. A couple of tablespoons of fruit chutney. I'm using my own apricot chutney. Add a cup of water and cook to this consistency. Pour into a tray, smooth the top and let it hang out while we make the topping. In here I've got 50 grams of vegan butter and 50 grams of flour. Yep, I'm making a vegan bechamel and I'm infusing it with cardamom. So I'm going to cook the flour and butter till it's blonde, and I'm going to add about 300 grams of cashew milk. You can use any milk you fancy. Alright donkeys, and I want it quite thick so it sits on top of the lentil base. Season with nutritional yeast and a bit of fresh nutmeg. You can't go wrong. Now pour over your lentil base, spread out evenly, a bit more nutmeg for that nutty goodness, and slam in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes till it's golden brown. Jeez. So there you have, probably my most favorite dish from South Africa is Bobotie. I'm gonna let this rest now for at least half an hour before I dig into it and let you guys know how amazing it tastes. Spot on. It's fragrant, it's sweet, it's rich, it's creamy. Just like my mama used to make it. In Cape Town, this would normally be served with a side of yellow rice and a massive dollop of more chutney. But I just wanted it on its own because I was craving it and I really wanted it. So I've not had it in ages. It's like a bit like a moussaka, I guess, but tastier. No, I'm joking. It's got a lot more spices in it, as you can see, and it's kind of sweet. And please go and try this recipe. You will not be disappointed. It's really delicious for the family. If you're like into Asian spices and stuff, this is like a subtle version of it. It's really nice. So it normally consists of a layer of minced beef or lamb that's been spiced with spices, obviously. What else would it be spiced with if it's not bloody spices? Come on, man. Think about it. Here I am standing talking a whole lot of rubbish to a camera. Yeah. So it's a Cape Malay dish which normally consists of a layer of minced beef or lamb that's been seasoned with quite a few sweet spices like cardamom, cinnamon, what the hell is cinnamon? Where did you find cinnamon? When you find it, my friends, tell him, send them to me so I can use the cinnamon. I've never heard of it before. Why do you use it? So it's a Cape Malay dish which normally consists of a spiced layer of spiced beef. I've done this about 20 times already. I can't do it anymore. So it's a Cape Malay dish that normally consists of spiced one day, I'll get this right, this camera thing right. It's just not today, or yesterday, or whenever else I was filming. A cake Malay dish which consists rumba